Alright, so let's do a quick update on this one. My 86 s12 200. So here, an issue I was having. Turnkey. I can hear the Walbro kick on. All the electronics is working, the way it should be. But yesterday, well, I did double check the stuff that's underneath. The hood is actually plugged in right. I just checked. Every now and then I have to actually go through and flip the switch from on to off, try to start it with it off, and turn it back on. And then it works, which is weird. That's for I've had this car since like 2013. And it's always been this way with this car. It's very weird how that is. And I don't have a four-way switcher. I need to pick that up. So, but yeah, very weird. Now the RPM is sticking, but I don't know. It's very, very strange what's going on here. Everything's working. Don't think the fuel is showing me the right stuff. Because when I pulled the fuel pump, it was way above halfway. I think it might actually be the cluster. I might have to pull it and clean it. I'm afraid of pulling it because of everything is so... The plastic is deteriorating from behind, 40 plus year old plastics. They do that. So... And because it's like almost like 90% humidity for this day, because you can tell it was a storm that just came through. Yeah, that's that stuff for sure. But yeah, I don't know. It's really weird. Let's go ahead. See, that's so weird is because I can't replicate the issue anymore. Like I was getting this morning, I was getting it last night when I went to the store. Now, it's all working fine. It's always been a ghost in this S12, but once I reset that from a battery removal, it works. And I won't have another problem for a while. Or at least I hope not. Knock on wood. Wow. Plastic's all musty and weird. But, yep, that's it. That's all good. Guess we're good for now. You know what's really funny? That clutch sound. That was a brand new clutch throw bearing and everything when I reinstalled it 10 years ago. And it's always made that sound since. What if I was supposed to... I don't know, it came pre-greased, so I don't understand why it still makes that noisy sound. But it seems like every car with a clutch does this. Ooh. I'm gonna have to look. Well, I need to look under there anyways to see. We're gonna go through this weekend and double check all the stuff. So, and potentially go get an oil change done. I do it myself, so it don't matter. Get it all nice and ready. Make sure it's nice and running and ready for this week. And in the next couple weeks, driving this thing out to whatchamacallit. I'm gonna have to either grease that, find out what Hmm. Seems like a rocking chair. Oh, that's a freaking fork going in. Oh well. Weird issues. This thing has like a ghost in the shell kind of feel, but I'll get to it. Fuel pump on, lights on, pump off, on, off. Yeah, I can't replicate it now. Weird. Okay, I think we're good for that one. Gotta check on the other stuff and go from there.